Three AI-driven strategies that can help boost your company's profits, no matter your industry. Let me guess, you're not in the tech business, so you're thinking AI might be out of your league or irrelevant to what you do. Maybe you've read the headlines about AI being for the big players, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and you've thought, that's not for me. But here's the deal. AI isn't just for tech companies anymore. It's for every company, no matter the industry. And if you're not using it, you're leaving cash on the table while others capitalize on its potential. I've been in this game for over 50 years, and trust me, I've heard the same objections over and over again. AI is too complicated. We don't have the expertise. We can't afford it. I've also seen the businesses that leaned into those excuses fall behind while the ones that embraced AI gained the competitive edge. So let's get into how you can use AI to drive profits no matter your industry. So who am I and why listen to me? I made my first million in my 20s, designing software that helped build major infrastructure projects like the Fresno Dam and the John Wayne Airport. I didn't have a tech background back then. I was a problem solver, and that's how I've approached everything since. Since then, I've led teams that developed the world's first fully autonomous robotic machine control system. I've worked across 55 countries and collaborated with some of the world's biggest brands, Microsoft, Apple, Delta Technologies. So when I tell you that AI is a game changer for every business, it's not just hype, it's real. The emotional frustration you're feeling, let's face it, running a business today is more demanding than ever. You're under constant pressure to cut costs, find efficiencies, and grow profits, all while struggling to find the right talent to execute your vision. Maybe you're tired of dealing with the manual processes that could be automated, frustrated with the marketing campaigns that miss the mark, or simply overwhelmed by the sheer volume of data you're collecting, but not using effectively. You're not alone. I've seen countless businesses face the same challenges, and I've been there myself. AI isn't here to replace you or your tech team. It's here to take the grind off your plate so you can focus on what really matters: strategy, growth, and building relationships with your customers. Logical reasons to embrace AI. Here are three AI-driven strategies that any company can implement to increase profits without needing a team of tech experts. One, automating repetitive tasks. Whether it's customer service, invoicing, or inventory management, AI can automate the boring, repetitive tasks that eat up your team's time. Tools like chatbots can handle customer inquiries 24/7, freeing up your staff for more high-value work. Number two, predictive analytics for shorter decision-making. AI can analyze your data, whether it's sales trends, customer behaviors, or marketing conditions, and give you actionable insights. This means no more guessing or relying on gut instinct. Instead, you're making informed decisions that directly impact your bottom line. About three, personalized marketing campaigns. With AI, you can target the right customers with the right message at the right time. Imagine a marketing campaign that adapts to your customers' behavior in real time. That's what AI can do, boosting engagement and sales while lowering ad spend. How about some real-world examples? I once worked with a mid-sized retail chain that was struggling with inventory management. They were constantly overstocked on some items and understocked on others, losing money either way. By implementing AI to predict demand and automate stock replenishment, they cut inventory costs by 20% and increased sales by 15%. Another client, a service business, was manually handling customer inquiries. After integrating an AI-powered chatbot, their response times dropped from hours to seconds, and customer satisfaction shot up, while their team could finally focus on scaling operations rather than firefighting. My own journey with AI. Back when I was leading an international team on the world's first fully autonomous robotic machine control system, we weren't automating because it was trendy. We were automating because it was the only way to scale efficiently and stay ahead. That's the same principle that applies today with AI. I've built over a dozen companies, most of which are 6 or 7 figures, and automation has been the secret sauce every time. I've watched businesses that I advise transform themselves by implementing AI solutions that don't require hiring a tech army. AI is accessible, and it can be used to optimize virtually any area of your business, from sales to operations to customer service. Build authority, and why listen to me? I've worked in tech for over 50 years. I've made my first million designing software that helped build some of the largest infrastructure projects in the US, led global teams, and worked alongside some of the most iconic brands in the world: Microsoft, Apple, Delta Technologies, and more. I've seen how technology, when harnessed properly, can change the game for any business, regardless of industry or size. I'm not just an observer. I've been in the trenches, leading the charge, building solutions, and scaling businesses, and now I want to help you do the same. So, what have we learned? AI isn't just for tech companies, it's for every business. Automating repetitive tasks, using predictive analytics, and running personalized marketing campaigns are just three of the ways AI can help boost profits. AI doesn't require a team of tech experts or a Silicon Valley budget. You don't need to keep struggling with inefficiencies, overwhelmed by manual processes, or missing out on the potential growth AI can bring. So here's how you take the next step. Don't let the thought of AI be too complicated to stop you from boosting your company's profits. I'm offering a free audit call where we can dive into how AI can transform your business. This is a no-nonsense, actionable consultation that will show you practical ways to get you started. Visit 𝗥𝗲𝗍𝗆𝗄𝑑igitalmarketing.com today to book your free audit call. Let's talk about how AI can help your business now before your competition gets there first.